The Sony Smartband Talk. Live life, log it. This is arguably one of the only Eink Smartwatches on the market, but it is a little bit old. You'll see right here that it does come in a nice outer protective plastic casing, and it's displayed very well. It's half a decade old at this point, but they sent us a sample from Sony Japan, so we're going to review it and unbox it all the same. Today we're just going to do an unboxing, crack this open for the first time on camera with you guys, of course. And we've just broken the security seal. You'll see there is that plastic box, and you get a lot of documentation here. You get important information in what looks like 12 or 13 different countries, languages. I'm gonna say countries, but languages. And you do get some information for the Sony mobile store, and you get some more stuff right here for just the information. You can see it's 2014, so this is a pretty old device, but it still looks, the form factor looks current, you know what I mean? It looks as small as like a Fitbit Charge 3, and that's made just very recently. So this is everything that comes in the box here. It looks like you do have nothing underneath this panel here, but that's actually a little bit surprising. So it doesn't look like there's any way to charge this. There should be a micro USB on the side there. There is. So there's a micro USB slot on the side there. But this thing does look very nice. It's displayed and packaged extremely well, and its form factor seems very current. So we are looking forward to doing a full review on this, because yes, I know it's very old, but this does have Bluetooth, and it does say that it does have some logging capabilities, Bluetooth capabilities. So it looks like there's something there. And to be honest, there aren't really any Eink Smartwatches on the market right now. So this is everything that comes in the box, along with the Sony Smartband Talk. A little bit out of date, but not out of the fight. We're gonna see what this thing brings to the table, everything it can do, and how it kind of stacks up to today's audience when it comes to Eink Smartwatches and watches in general. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.